My name is Alvin. My expertise is in the area of digital transformation, Internet of Things, AI, and data science. I had an amazing privilege that as I spent my time in Cisco system for 13 years, I led the entire commercial sales as a managing director for the whole of APAC. And with that, it's been an amazing journey to see how the internet has really transformed enterprises, and subsequently went into the world of fintech, where I joined Wincor Nixdorf as their regional head of software, application, AI and delivery for all the software and application. And this is where I begin to see the world of finance and how it has been transformed through data. And as a result of that, I again had the amazing privilege to join General Electric Digital as the first employee, where I've spent a lot of time thinking a lot about, how do we move from an industrial to a digital industrial company. And with that, my last 3 to 4 years, I've joined the world of smart cities, looking at how do we harness data, unlocking that value in the world of smart cities, and really transform our current city landscape to future cities where it's smart and intelligent. And I joined Johnson Control to really drive that transformation for the cities around APAC. And as you kind of think about, your ability to harness data and unlock that value and begin to learn that value, this is really around where we need to be as leaders, driving both, top line from a commercial standpoint and bottom line. And it is through a data-led, outcome-driven, and intelligent organization of future. It's where we as leaders of the future want to be.